Epstein with your Morning Flash Update, and this update is for the morning of Friday. We're at the 22nd of July, 2022, about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. Energy prices down a little bit, not a lot, but they're still down. Back to pushing the 102 level in the Brent. Crude in the WTI got it around now 95. Up sharply in the nat gas. The heat, all you got to do is look at the weather. You can see the heat. Now, I was reading about the Nord Stream 1 for the energies, and basically, Russia, if it goes under 30% capacity on the line that the gas is going through, can't push anything through it. Anything under that does damage. What if I told you that that turbine that Canada had released to Germany is just sitting in Germany? And you would say, why doesn't Germany release it? Not the case. Russia hasn't issued a permit for it to go near the St. Petersburg area yet. So this is the game that Putin knows how to play. He's buying time for the cold weather. Each day that goes by and there's a reduced amount of nat gas that goes into Europe means they can't fill the coffers in Europe to get ready for the severe winter. So what's going to happen? Probably cutback of factories. Yeah, you heard me. If we get the winter, you've got only so much electricity you can generate. You don't have the power to do it enough. Be careful. They're not going to cut off heat to the homes. They're going to do it to the companies. So that's another negative for the euro. Euro today down, as you can see, not big, trading in the 102.23 area. It was a lot lower than that earlier. We had some CPI numbers that I'll go through with you on that. Gold up a little bit, as the dollar is sort of flat here in the 106 area. Most of the other metals, it's mixed. The silver market just playing here at the 1866, but you're lifting a bit in the copper as China is getting ready to do something about the mortgage situation there and throwing more money into infrastructure as well. Now, as I said, I think we should take a look here if we could, and this is the main areas. Let me get on this side. The S&P Global Group is going to release their preliminary July manufacturing and service sector numbers this morning at 8:45, about 15-20 minutes from now. Eurozone PMI, 49.6. That's all you got to look at. Anything under 50 is contraction. You've entered that phase. Germany being forced to take a 30% stake in Uniper. That's their largest utility. There's no choice, okay? The company can't make it without help from the state. They're doing that. Japanese CPI came out this morning. And as you can see, running pretty good, 2.2%. This is the third month in a row where the CPI was above the 2% target. So they have hit their target. It only took them a decade to do it, but they have hit their target. Now the question is, does it start fading? When you look at the ex-food and energy, it's only up 1% on the year, so that becomes the big question for them. Will that actually turn into a fade or not? Now, as I look at all the other parts of what we're looking at here, we're going to be writing today for you about, in detail, the numbers that come out of the Catalan feed report that come out after the market closes today. There's going to be a series of events over the weekend also that we'll be writing on. And that's the difference between what we do and many others. We write articles over the weekend because the markets open on Sunday night. We want you to have the energy articles, the financial markets, the grain articles. And you know, we're about to see today, speaking of grains, something going on with Ukraine, the UN, Turkey, Russia. A deal is about to be signed. So you're going to get the corn, the wheat, the sunflower oil coming back to the market in some manner. Don't know what the deal says, don't know the logistics of it, but it's coming. And I said before, that was due to come no matter how you wanted to play this out. Now, how do you get this research from us? It's so simple. You can either call us. You can go to our website under free offers. You just take your cursor, move it up here, and you'll click at the top. You'll see an icon appear. Choose any of the free offers we have. In the meantime, I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you this weekend with our weekend review of all the weekly charts on everything we cover. Have a great trading day.